Hi guys, this is Karen and right now I'm going to be reacting to K&K's music video for Rain. I'm very excited. I think this is the repackage for their last comeback, Sun, Moon and Star. I'm so sorry I didn't react to that. I explained in another video that I wasn't able to. But I'm very excited for this, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. In 3, 2 and 1, let's go. But I really like Sun, Moon and Star. Oh my god, that was such a beautiful song. Who's this? Oh my god, okay, what's going on? Well, this looks like it's going to be really, really sad. Hello, Heejun. Is that my bias? Yes, it is. Okay, Jihoon. Okay. Ooh, this instrumental. Okay, what's wrong, Sungjun? What are you wandering off to? Heejun, stop it. Okay, this choreo? Oh, that's so cool. You're hearing this song? Oh. Okay, Eugene. Oh, wow, Heejun. Hey. Oh, look at that, like the legs, like, bruv. Who's running? Oh, it's Insong. It kind of looked like Hanbin in that shot. Ooh, is Heejun's hair blue? Heejun. This instrumental is so pretty. Oh wow, okay. Oh, why are you bleeding? Do you hear these vocals? Like, the background harmonies? Lord. Oh, lyrics are so sad. Did Kim Tae-ju or Kim Tae-woo, I can't remember. It's the guy that composed Sun, Moon and Star. Did he compose this as well? Because it sounds like it has like this similar vibe to it. Oh my god, okay guys. Bloody hell, who hurt you? Oh, Heejun. Oh wow, okay, whoa, okay, sir. These vocals though. This shot, like the shots in this MV is so pretty. It must have been so cold when they were shooting those. Heejun, stop it, you're the magnet. Do you see this choreo? Is that you, Hoon? Yes, it is. Get it, main dancer. That sax. Oh, don't cry. Get up. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Wow. Sungjun is so pretty. Just look at these visuals, guys. Look at these visuals. That shot right here, beautiful. Gravity completed. Oh, that was a really good MV. Like, shout out to the director. That was such a beautiful MV. I love the use of the umbrellas as props. I can't wait to see that on a live stage. It was a beautiful, beautiful song. Like, absolutely gorgeous. I really like it when they promote with ballads. I think that's their niche and they do it so well. and you know, they should keep up with it. I think they did a good job with the acting. All that water though, they must have been really cold, so I hope they didn't get sick from filming all of that. But that was such a beautiful song, and I can't wait to listen to the album. I don't think I've actually heard their previous album, which is really bad, and I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna do that sometime today because I have been missing out on a lot. Obviously vocal wise they slayed it as always, and yeah, I just can't wait to see what else they've got in store for us. But I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.